Please remember, we have left nothing to chance.
For the STON elevator experiment, our goal was to test the placebo effect of users in Zachary Engineering Building by creating a system where users could have the option to fast forward their elevator ride and get the elevator faster. But would they actually notice if it did anything or not? For the large majority of participants in our little study, most didn't even want to push the button. However, we did notice that the people who did push the button also didn't find it very useful. However, it was still an interesting study for us to see how people responded to a button that flipped their norm in an interesting way. Our study was set up pretty simply. We purchased an elevator button from Amazon. We purchased some command strips from CVS. And after forgetting our Sharpie, we wrote press button to fast forward on a piece of receipt paper to be able to instruct users what to actually do. As you can see here, most people found this pretty humorous. Some others did not. After pressing the button, we sent someone into the elevator with the users to evaluate two separate questions from them. Number one, did they actually push the button? And number two, did they feel that it improved their speed at all with the elevator ride? Groups represented a challenge for us, as it was sometimes difficult to get enough interactions when multiple people are waiting for an elevator, and oftentimes a lot of people wanted to just click the button and forget about the elevator altogether. While most participants weren't particularly interested in our button or its results, a few were. Did you push it?
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no. That's what your job is.
Yeah. After collecting all our data, we had about 31 participants and observations throughout our experiment. Of the 31 people, 24 of them had no interaction with our button at all. 2 were not sure if they thought the button worked. 3 were definitely not sure that it improved the speed of the elevator at not, but 2 souls did tell us that they thought the button did improve the speed of the elevator.